pandemic time, we have to also understand our mental health. If we are in sales industry and working from home, then how our mental health is going to get affected. And for this session, we are very lucky that Mr. Blake Verma is along with us. I would like to give you a little intro about him. He's a speaker. He's I can say that a mentor of the ample students as well as corporate, and he has wrote books also. And in a world around 25 countries, he has given his classes. Welcome today's discussion regarding mental health. How are you?
Thanks, Kunal. Thanks for having me here. All good. I mean, how about you? How are things?
All things are till today good, and today we are going to
Great.
discuss regarding sales industry and mental health, as we are working in the sales industry, and how mental health is going to get affected. And for this we have already requested you to give us your knowledge on this point. So if you could allow us, then I could put some questions. These questions are always wondering a salesperson. So if you allow me, then I can ask those questions. Blake.
Yeah, please, Kunal, go ahead.
The first questions which, as a salesperson is clicking, that how does working from home affect mental health? Blake.
I mean, it really has had a great impact. If you see last 2 years, people being at home, everybody has a family, right? So everybody is doing all those Amazon orders. So there's a ring bell, there's somebody calling you, and so the productivity level has really decreased because people are not used to that kind of an environment. But when you go to an office, your mind is like, okay, I need to do task 1, task 2, and task 3, then blah, I can go back home nicely, I can just travel back home. But in pandemic, what has happened is, with salespeople especially, they have a lot of things to do on a plate, but because of so many distractions, it could be family. I mean, that is part of life. It could be one of them. Another thing could be like, they browsing a lot of things on the internet, and there's a lot of ocean of data. Like every day somebody's checking how many the COVID number of cases is there, how many people have died. So these are the things people are really worried about, and that has really impacted this sales industry a lot. And a lot of people have really faced a lot of hurdles. And when I trained a lot of sales people, and when I train in terms of corporate, so what I have realized is, if somebody is doing inside sales, bang on, they are already doing things as per what has been happening without remote work. But if somebody was in field sales, now they can't meet customers, and that personal touch which they used to have, so they used to have some kind of an old format of cold calling and meeting people. Now that has really impacted them a lot. So it's a little difficult for the field sales people. They are not used to it. So these are the challenges I have seen in the mental health for the sales people.
Oh, great. That is. Thank you.
Yeah.
And the second question, which also, comes each and every one, like it's a very genuine question. If I'm working from home and suppose my profession is related to sales, then how will my mental health affect my performance? Here we are now talking about the performance.
Right. It definitely had as impact, like as I said in the last question. So like for example, when you're working in the office, right, so you have, let's say, 8 hours working, so you can make roughly, like, let's say 50 to 150 cold calls, and you can be very much productive, because like, okay, these 2 hours I'm very productive. Let's say for me it was like 12 to 2 p.m. This is the time when I was very productive. Whenever I was doing a cold call with bigger fortune companies, I was getting it closed. But now what it happens is, when I'm at home and when I'm trying to call those people to talk and convince, time really flies, and we don't know how to handle that, because there's so many things there's happening at home. So the performance has really decreased. But luckily, those people who were used to working in this kind of remote environment before the pandemic, they have been doing really well. Okay, so luckily I was doing this remotely kind of business thing since a lot of years, so it has not affected that much to that extent. But for people who used to just go and have that coffee and then sit on and do a cold call, it has really impacted, because that office made coffee they cannot get at home, right? They cannot get that flavor. So these are the things which is really impacting the salespeople, right?
Actually, Abhishek, the concept is totally new. We people are not so, we didn't get even the training in our MBA time that if there is a time to work from home, because there is no such calculation predictions could be in our economics or something you could say in our books. This is a real situation which we all salespeople are facing, and definitely, somehow these mental health is going to affect our performance because we are learning.
Absolutely. I mean, if you see, like 4 hour week, or let's say people say like, instead of working 5 days, you work for limited hours. But in office, it was very much restricted. Okay, so I can work from morning till night. So in between, I can take 2 or 3, breaks. But when it comes to home, I'm taking unlimited breaks, right? And it's like I am unable to control myself because there's somebody coming on the door, with an Amazon order, or let's say somebody is calling me from a family saying like, you look, there's an important call from a relative.
We
So these
can't
are
avoid
things.
these things. That is the scenes, that these things definitely, damage our performance. Even I am facing the same, in a IT terms, we could say these are the glitch, but this is not glitch. These are the some lame excuses which, going to, damage our performance.
Right, but luckily what I have understood is like if you just follow European culture, UK culture, right? They are used to it, and if you just talk to a lot of people from there, they have really got into this structure very early. So these are the people you should definitely talk to, to get an understanding. Okay, how they are working this, in the pattern. You talk to somebody in Italy, for example, they are used to it, so they have this 4 hours week, and you go to countries like Sweden, so they have this kind of, but in India it's pretty new for us. We don't know, how to handle this kind of situation.
And the third question which we got from one of the subscriber had requested us to ask these questions with you. Loneliness and the isolation are the two drawbacks for working from home. That is a fact. Are they really affect our mental health? That is a scene which that lady would like to know, that loneliness and the isolation is definitely going to affect mental health. Is it, Blake?
Yes, 100% is going to affect, it's just like fear of missing out. Okay, so what generally happens is when you're working in a team, let's say in an office environment, you're sitting with 5 people doing lunch together, but when you're working alone and your teammates are, you just come and hang out on a specific Zoom call or Teams, something like that. So you get sometimes lonely, you feel isolated, and there are times when you feel like, okay, your teammates are not calling you up, they're just calling for the presentation or Excel sheet report. So these are the things which is really affecting the mental health of people, and people don't know how to react. So this is very important for people to keep themselves motivated, watch some kind of motivational stuff and videos and all, because give up Netflix and Amazon Prime for some time and then concentrate more on the motivational part, because otherwise your brain is going to get drained, because we are just like a mobile battery. Okay, so when we get up in the morning, we will not have 100% charge. Okay, so we will have 10 to 20% charge. So it is up to us how we spend the last night, because that is how our mental health will be taken care of.
Definitely, we have to understand how to fight these loneliness and the isolation. Otherwise, we can't survive from work from home culture, is it?
Right. I mean, just think about it. It's been like roughly 2 years now, and we are still waiting for the wave 3, right? So it's very much scary. And if this happens, I think there's a lot of people going to get so much lonely, and and they can't tell to their own family members their problems, because they want to talk to somebody of the same age group. So this is definitely of a concern.
And the last questions, which which is related to stress. There's a one good, I can say lines, that is the stress from wearing multiple hats. So how will our mental health be affected by this stress?
Right. I mean, you see, when you run a business, for example, and you have a large team, luckily when you go to the office, you can manage them, because if you overdo, it will feel like you're micromanaging them. So if you're, having that hat, what generally happens as a business owner, sometimes you really have to be harsh to people to get the job done, but you can't be harsh all the time. But if it was not remote, you could have got things done very easily. But in this culture and environment, it's very tough to get people, to do delegation and stuff like that, because our way of working is completely different, and somebody who is just getting trained, their thought process, their way of working is completely different. They are having a different culture. So it's very difficult if you're working multiple hats. You really need to take care of mental and make sure you're very much motivated daily. That's the whole aim of making your team, being ahead in this pattern.
Okay. So that is the thing you are saying, that if you want to avoid it, then we have to get motivated. And yesterday I had
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like your friend is pouring all on me. You make me feel free.
Right? So they are
I
disciplined.
wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know we'll be here forever. And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta, I just gotta know we'll be here forever. And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta. My heart can only take so much.